everybody. Oh, this is bad vlogging, guys. We're on. Oh, I'm so small. Oh, I have a hurt. We are wandering about. That was one beautiful bird. Let me show you. This is our view. Really pretty, really pretty. Yeah, it's starting to rain again, but we were just in a massive downpour, and we were about to bail, but we didn't. Strong. Huh? Wait under the tree or do you? Yeah, we're debating waiting under the tree because there's some rain incoming. Yeah, I reckon we might need to wait under this tree, so bear with. We found a frog. Oh, fuck. Wow. It's gone, John. Oh, it's so cute. So funny. Hello, Mr. Froggy. Oh, he's probably scared. No, you know you can kill them because they've got.
If I step on them, yeah.
No, such fast heartbeats. Oh, where did it go?
He's alright.
Oh.
I can't really break them.
Well, the weather is absolutely lush. What do we think?
Lovely.
Yeah, so very happy. Blue skies, blue skies. We're about to see the castle.
We'll see if it's actually a castle.
Yes, this is so cute. Oh. Yeah. Never mind, you might have caught them. The birds were having a little meeting. There they are, they live in this bush here. Oh wow. What cutie patooties. Wait. Woo! Oh, we almost finished our... Oh no! Guys, almost ran over a pear. Yeah, we're gonna get our Bakewell pudding because we're landing in Bakewell soon. Yeah, that's it really. I'll see you when we're eating our Bakewell pudding. Okay. Update, we've popped everything in the car and oh no, farmers market's shut, but there's a Bakewell craft. We're gonna go for a cheeky pint. Yeah, very exciting. There's some ducks. Quack quack. Wow, they're so cute. Titanic. Oh, look at this one. What a cutie. Oh! Oh, you shake those feathers, girl. Wow, it's very active. Okay. And let's have a slow... That was a bit questionable. There's a beer garden here, guys. Bit questionable, we just got kissed at. That was, this is a bit of a weird beer garden. Doesn't smell very nice either. Oh my god, guys, it's so windy. I don't know if you can hear it, but we are in the depths of the hurricane. Yeah, I'm gonna end it. It's really pretty though, if we have a little look. It's trying to fly against the wind. Wow! Whoa! That is so cool. But yeah. This is the pub down here that we're going to. If you can hear any of this. Hello! Hello! We are now sheltered off from the wind so you can hear us talking. Oh, never mind. We take a look at the choppy sea and the waves. It's really beautiful. And we're just walking along our path. Where are we?
Austin Klein.
Yeah, we're there. What would you rate this?
Windy out.
windy out of 10 and beautiful out of 10. Just definitely. Out of 10, definitely. Okay, so that's a new size. That's a new rating right there.
Use the highest one.
The highest what, so 10?
No,
Oh,
over it.
over 10. Wow. Guys, we've got a 10 plus rating from Tasha. And Denise, what would we rate this?
I'm gonna give the wind 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10, yeah, the wind. How about the beauty?
10.
10, period.
You're not gonna share your opinion.
My opinion is 100% perfect. I'm joking. It's so pretty, guys. Oh. And people are playing golf. Very brave. We're going to get whacked by a ball in a second, probably, because of this wind. That would actually be terrifying, guys. This isn't going to happen. No. Not today, honey, not today. There's a new view, guys, and it's beautiful. Have a little sneak peek. Period. Gorge. Look at that.
There's none in the actual book.
So pretty. Ooh. Hello. How cool! Scenery incoming. Ooh. Oh gosh. Stomp, stomp. Ah, that was nice. Uh-oh. It's so cool. This is massive. Oh my word. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. John D. Spicer. Wow. Oh my god. It's so cool. It smells nice in here. Imagine being on that, like. Ultimate bench. Wow.